Hey y'all, fans, cars, etc. Back on your screen, bringing you a brand new video in my apartment. You may be wondering, okay man, where are you? I'm in my dining room right now. The Craftsmade gone. So, today we're going to be doing a video about the light switches in my apartment. Starting off, here in this dining room, this switch goes to that dome light. Come back here. The switch goes to that outdoor light out there. Let's see here. Speaking of outside, I'm gonna come outside. Nice field view. Out here in the storage room, we are gonna flip this switch right here to that fluorescent light. Craftsmade. My dog. Going here to the laundry room. That switch goes to that dome light up there. Respecting my parents' privacy, there's a switch in there right beside the door that activates some plugs. Speaking of plugs, this switch right here goes to some plugs right over there. Yeah, a switch that does what I just showed you, and a switch to their closet. This switch goes to that light right up there. The reason why I'm covering my face, I'm not doing a face reveal until 1,000 subscribers. So then this switch is that exhaust fan. Okay. Now, coming in here to the kitchen, this switch goes to that light. This switch goes to garbage disposal. This switch, for some reason, go to the dishwasher. Then, coming here to my room, this switch activates a plug, which controls the light. This switch goes to the switch over my fan collection. Then, coming in here to my bathroom, this light is that switch, and this switch is that exhaust fan right there. Let's see here. And I think that is all the switches in my house. You know, I live in a small apartment. That also counts as a house tour. So, yeah, like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.